We're staying over there. I think.
Why are you sharing about all this thing? We are coming to the park. Why are you sharing all this thing?
Because
Yay! Hey everyone, we are in
Tumpreng Park, Sing Ronghang Memorial Park.
Okay. How's your feeling and what would you love to say about the weather and all the scenery about this park?
I feel a bit dizzy, but still, because of the weather, I feel so good right now. Like we're enjoying this place and the greenery over here.
Yes,
so
look at
beautiful.
this. Please tell about.
And I would recommend all the people, all over the people of Karbi Anglong to please visit over here because, the greenery over here is, I swear, it's like you're really gonna enjoy over here and you're gonna love this place.
Okay, I would love you to ask about this. Would you love to ride a boat?
Right?
A boat?
A boat.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would love to. Like we went over there, but because of it's raining over here, so the boat.
You went here? You went here?
Yeah, I went already, and the boat got wet, so
Okay.
it's not possible.
It's not possible,
boat.
I guess then.
Yeah, yes, of course.
So, oh man, the view, actually, the scenery.
I
right?
love this place.
Haha.
I really love this place.
Anything to tell to our friends?
Yes, of course. Like enjoy this weather because like this kind of weather doesn't come always. So
Yes.
you probably should enjoy the view, the scenery, the weather, and I think everything about today is so good that I can't even express how I feel right now. Like I was feeling dizzy at the morning, and right now I feel so good. I feel so fine.
Should I share something about
Yes, of
my
course,
friends?
sure.
Because why I'm enjoying so much today, because of the weather. I love the weather so much.
Of course.
Yeah. Look.
Come
The
on.
weather.
Come on this side.
Rainy day, happy day. It's about to rain again. Why we are here? Tell the truth.
We are here because of a project, and because of the project, we're gonna enjoy this moment. And all I'm thankful is to the management committee of God News that because of them we be able to be here today and enjoying this place. So thank you so much.
Okay. Now let's move to the another place.
Yes, let's go.
Yeah. Oh wait. Look, the dinosaur.
Photoshoot doon yang berani.
So
Photoshoot. Pose. Oh, sorry, ni pan mani single.
it's a photo shoot time. It's not a music video, okay?
Scenery. The scenery, the place is so beautiful that I'm not enjoying it.
What about?
So, when
You
I
feel
was
dizzy, I
saying-
guess. Dizzy.
No, it's not about my dizziness, but I feel like it's so itchy because of the place we're staying over there. I think.
Why are you sharing about all this thing? We are coming to the park. Why are you sharing all this
No,
thing?
because I don't enjoy this place so much because of the way I feel. It's a bit itchy all over the body.
Sprite, Mazda, Uncle Chief, everything. Rasinja, Rani, Uncle Chips, and Mazda. Swiss roll, Bursar. This is
my birthday.
card and pen drive, Sony, camera, Chatkins, and me.
ลงดิ
ทำเล่น